Hi there, I'm Salvin Clark, founder and creative director at Salvin, a women's wear luxury brand based in UK. We're actually in Manchester, you can see the weather. Come inside with us and we'll show you what we get up to with a new normal and with the new rules and regulation in Manchester. First thing first, wash your hands. Once we got back, the main priority after 4 months of obviously being on lockdown was to clear our stock, make sure we're up to date with our stock level, going through our fabrics and even checking all our fabric, the previous fabrics or the new collection that we're planning to get. So come in, I'll show you.
My name is Leanne and I'm head of PR and marketing here at Salvin. So with the new social distancing rules, we've got limited resources and means of marketing and creating engaging content. Any collaborations that we had in the pipeline have all had to be put on hold, and so we've had to think of new and creative ways that we can continue to keep our social media, our digital marketing and anything that is consumed all up to date and exciting for the customer. So we created our own sort of makeshift studio where we've been playing around with some ideas and just playing around with some content. And so the idea of this is that it opens up our audience to our studio, as we want to, as an ethical and sustainable brand, we want to remain as transparent as possible by all means. So keep your eyes peeled for all the exciting and fun content that we've got coming. So we're also continuing to work with bloggers, influencers, photographers, content creators by arranging phone calls, digital meetings, and obviously Zoom is, everyone's been using that obviously. And we're still continuously looking for new people to work with who hold the same values that we do on sustainability, ethical issues and social issues, that what makes us the brand Salvin who we are.
During the lockdown, as a team, we were also thinking how we can continue being a social, sustainable and ethical brand. And we came up with so many different ideas, and one of them that we are really passionate about is zero wastage. As we have seen how badly the environment is impacted by fast fashion and just fashion in general. So we thought about why don't we use our leftover fabrics. As you can see here, on 2019 we already started this project by using our leftover sustainable fabric and using a neck scarf in a different ways, which some of our customers even wear them as a hand scarf or style it differently. So we come up with this idea, why don't we work with the emerging young designers that they are looking into expanding their collection and collaborating with new innovative brands. And we're going to hopefully share some more information once we kind of got their heads around, and we hope you like this project. Lastly but not least, we have to stay positive. We don't know what the future is going to hold for us, and we just have to keep going and working hard because as a small brand we have unfortunately been impacted by this virus quite a lot, but we know we don't have to lose hope, and we know that our customers love us and they keep waiting for a new collection. And I would like to also say a big thank you to Wolf & Badger for letting us and giving us this opportunity to be a part of this amazing journey. We love you guys so much, and keep an eye on our new collections.